you like the content on our YouTube channel, please subscribe, hit the like button, turn on the notifications, and we'll update you with new vehicles coming in on a daily basis. We have all makes and all models coming in every day, 50 to 70 vehicles every week. Right now you're looking at a 2017 BMW M3 with front end collision damage. The vehicle does start and drive. It's being sold with a salvage title. You have to excuse the video because it's a little tight in here. Sunroof. Let's take a look under the hood. All the belts look like they're intact. The vehicle does start right up. There's no breakage on the front of the motor, which is a good sign. Means the motor's good, but you definitely need work on that apron, radiator support, all the cooling from bumper assembly, apron on this side. This vehicle was hit high above the frame rails. The frame rails look pretty good. I don't see any damage to the frame rails. They're pretty straight, so probably went under a truck or something. Yep, rails look pretty good. Let's take a look inside. All right, you have a driver's side airbag deployed. You have a knee airbag deployed. You have a curtain airbag here that's deployed. I think the curtain airbag is good on that side. It's automatic. Got the carbon fiber trim. Sunroof. Nice red interior. Overall nice builder. From the doors back it's clean. This basically needs a sheet metal nose and some airbags. Anyhow, we'll post it on our website soon. Thanks for watching.